Hello and welcome to Faceless Security, where we delve into the world of technology and cybersecurity. In today's video, we'll be giving you an introduction to cybersecurity. Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting internet-connected systems, including hardware, software, and data, from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. With the increasing use of technology in our daily lives, cybersecurity has become a crucial aspect of personal and organizational security. Cyber attacks can come in many forms, including malware, phishing scams, and data breaches. These attacks can result in financial loss, identity theft, and even the theft of sensitive information. To protect yourself and your data, it's important to follow good cybersecurity practices, such as using strong passwords, being cautious when opening email attachments, and keeping your software up to date. Additionally, using antivirus software, firewalls, and encryption can help to provide additional layers of protection. However, it's not just technology that plays a role in cybersecurity. People are often the weakest link in cybersecurity, and it's important to educate yourself and stay informed about the latest threats and best practices. That's a brief introduction to cybersecurity. We hope you've learned something new and that you'll join us for future videos as we dive deeper into this fascinating topic. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.